Hello, and welcome to The Simple Health. I'm Dr. Howard. For 40 years as a doctor specializing in senior health, I've studied aging muscles, and what I'm about to tell you might be surprising. The reason many people lose leg strength after 60 isn't just about getting older. It's a process happening deep inside your muscles, something I call silent muscle collapse. Think of it like the foundation of your house slowly losing bricks without you noticing, until one day simply standing up from a chair feels like a major effort. But I have good news. Research shows that specific foods can literally wake up dormant muscle cells and rebuild your strength even in people over 90. In this video, I'll reveal the 5 foods proven by science to do just that. And be sure to stick around because I'll share a simple timing trick for one of these foods that can more than double its muscle-building power. You can find all the medical studies I mention in the description below if you'd like to dive deeper. Before we begin, I have a quick question. Where are you watching from today? Let me know in the comments. I always enjoy reading them.
Let's start with food number 5, sweet potatoes. This might surprise you because it's not a protein, but sweet potatoes have been performing miracles in the muscles of some of the world's longest-lived people. When Harvard researchers studied the diets of the strongest elderly people in Okinawa, they found something remarkable. Those eating sweet potatoes at least 4 times a week had significantly more type 2 muscle fibers in their legs. These are your power muscles, the ones you need for quick movements, like standing up from a chair or catching your balance. These movements become even more vital as we get older, helping to prevent falls. The magic comes from a nutrient called beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A acts as a protector for the mitochondria, the tiny power plants inside your muscle cells, shielding them from age-related damage. I like to think of it as applying rust-proofing to your cellular engines, keeping them running smoothly for years to come. Now, some of my patients worry about carbohydrates, but the fiber in sweet potatoes ensures a slow, steady release of energy. This makes them a smart carb that fuels your muscles without causing a spike in your blood sugar. They also pack a massive dose of potassium, which is crucial for proper muscle contraction and can help prevent those painful nighttime leg cramps. If you can find them, the purple varieties are even better. They contain compounds that can increase muscle endurance. But how you prepare them makes all the difference. And this is where most people go wrong. The biggest mistake is peeling them, as the skin contains most of the fiber and compounds that help regulate blood sugar. The best method, according to longevity experts, is to steam them whole with the skin on for about 25 minutes until they're soft. Steaming can actually increase the availability of that helpful beta-carotene by up to 300% compared to boiling. After steaming, eat them with a small amount of healthy fat, like a teaspoon of olive oil. This helps your body absorb that powerful vitamin A. For a simple change you can start today, try slicing a steamed sweet potato into your morning oatmeal or having it as a side with dinner. Aim for 1 medium sweet potato about the size of your fist at least 4 days a week. If you're finding these tips useful, tapping that like button tells YouTube you want more science-backed health advice just like this. It truly helps my channel reach more people.
Moving on to our 4th food for stronger legs, sardines. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Sardines, Dr. Howard? Really? But please trust me on this. These tiny fish are a mighty secret weapon for your legs, and they're incredibly affordable. A groundbreaking study from Barcelona found that older adults eating sardines just twice a week had 78% less muscle loss in their legs over 5 years. Sardines are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which get absorbed directly into the membrane of every muscle cell in your legs. It's like upgrading the cellular structure of your muscles from rigid and stiff to flexible and responsive. But what makes them a true powerhouse is the complete package of nutrients they offer, all in one. They provide vitamin D, calcium, and high-quality protein all together, which is a rare combination in food. A single can with the bones contains a huge amount of absorbable calcium, which is absolutely essential for muscle contraction. It also contains a healthy dose of vitamin D, which most people over 60 are deficient in. In my practice, I've seen that correcting a vitamin D deficiency alone can improve leg strength by up to 40% in just a few months. The protein in sardines also contains high levels of an amino acid called leucine, which acts like a light switch that tells your muscles to grow and repair themselves. When you buy them, be sure to look for sardines packed in water or olive oil, not in soybean or other vegetable oils, which can cause inflammation. And the absolute best way to heat them is straight from the can with the soft, edible bones included. That's where all that wonderful calcium is. If you're new to them, here's a simple change. Mash them with a fork, add a squeeze of lemon juice, and mix in some mashed avocado. It makes a wonderful, healthy spread for toast. For the maximum benefit, try to eat 1 can of sardines within an hour after a walk or any leg exercise. This is when your muscles are most receptive to rebuilding, and the protein and nutrients can get right to work. So, I have to ask, are you a fan of sardines? Let me know by commenting yes or no below. I'm genuinely curious to see the results.
Our third most powerful food for strong legs is black beans. Researchers at the National Institute on Aging found that older adults who eat black beans regularly have leg muscles that look 10 to 15 years younger on MRI scans. They are packed with plant-based protein that both stimulates muscle growth and reduces inflammation in the muscle tissue at the same time. But their real secret weapon for aging muscles is something called resistant starch. This might sound technical, but it's quite simple. Imagine resistant starch as special food for the good guy bacteria living in your gut. When these helpful bacteria eat this starch, they produce a substance called butyrate. This butyrate then travels to your leg muscles and sends a powerful signal telling them, "Don't break down, stay strong." Black beans are also loaded with magnesium, a mineral that many of us don't get enough of. Magnesium helps your muscles relax properly after they contract, which can prevent that heavy leg feeling and reduce cramping. Now, I know that for some people, beans can cause a bit of gas. A simple tip is to start with smaller portions, just a few tablespoons, and make sure you rinse them well. If you're using canned beans, always rinse them thoroughly in a colander to wash away excess sodium. If you're cooking them from dry, soaking them overnight in water makes a huge difference in how easily your body can digest them. A simple way to add them to your diet is to toss a handful into a salad, mix them into your rice, or even blend them into a soup to make it thicker. For leg strength, the best time to eat them is with your evening meal, about 4 to 5 hours before you go to bed. This provides your body with slow-releasing amino acids that help prevent muscle breakdown while you sleep, which is when a lot of age-related muscle loss can happen. Try to aim for about half a cup of cooked black beans at least 5 days a week. If you know someone who could benefit from learning about these simple, powerful foods, please consider sharing this video with them. It could make a real difference in their life.
Coming in at number 2 is the incredible, humble egg. Recent research has completely changed our understanding of why eggs are so crucial for leg strength in older adults. A landmark study found that older adults who ate whole eggs every day had 57% more muscle protein synthesis compared to those who only ate egg whites. This means that old myth is officially busted. The real power is in the whole egg, especially the yolk. The yolk contains a perfect combination of nutrients that triggers something scientists call the mTor pathway. Think of the mTor pathway as your muscle's master growth switch. The nutrients in the egg yolk are the perfect key to flip that switch to the on position. The yolk also contains a nutrient called choline, which is critical for the communication between your brain and your leg muscles, helping improve coordination and control. So what's the best way to cook them to get these benefits? My recommendation is soft-boiled or poached eggs, where the yolk is still a bit runny. This gentle cooking preserves most nutrients. Overcooking eggs until the yolks are hard and chalky can actually destroy some of these benefits. For a simple change you can make this week, keep a few hard-boiled eggs in the fridge. They make a perfect muscle-boosting snack anytime you're hungry. And here's that special timing trick I promised you at the beginning of the video. Eating 2 or 3 whole eggs within 30 minutes after your morning walk creates a special window where your muscles are primed to grow stronger. This post-activity meal can boost your muscles' rebuilding process significantly. For those of you who are still concerned about cholesterol, large-scale modern research has shown that for most people, eating up to 1 or 2 whole eggs a day is perfectly healthy. In fact, the nutrients in the yolk actually help your body process cholesterol properly. If you haven't already, now's a great time to subscribe and click that notification bell. I have so much more to share on the simple health to help you feel your best.
And now, the #1 most powerful food for maintaining incredibly strong legs, even at 90, is wild-caught salmon. Some scientists I follow are calling this the closest thing we have to a fountain of youth for our muscles. A revolutionary study from Washington University found that older adults eating wild salmon just 3 times a week experienced muscle growth typically seen in people 30 years younger. The secret is a powerful antioxidant called astaxanthin. This is the natural compound that gives salmon its beautiful pink color. Astaxanthin penetrates deep into your muscles' power plants, the mitochondria, and protects them from the damage that causes muscles to weaken with age. It's like installing a personal bodyguard for each of your cellular engines. Wild salmon also contains a compound called creatine. Think of creatine as the quick energy source for your muscle cells, helping them contract with more power when you need it. It truly is the perfect storm of nutrients: high-quality protein, massive doses of omega-3s, vitamin D, and that creatine. Now, it's very important that you choose wild-caught salmon whenever possible. Studies show it can have up to 4 times the healthy omega-3 levels of farmed salmon. I understand that fresh wild salmon can be a bit pricey. If that's a concern for you, high-quality canned wild salmon is an excellent and affordable alternative. Other wild-caught fatty fish like mackerel or herring are also great choices. The best way to prepare it is to cook it with the skin on at a medium-low heat, just until it's cooked through but still moist. Please don't overcook it, as that can damage the delicate, healthy fats. And if you can, please eat the skin. It contains the highest concentration of those precious omega-3s. Aim for a 4 to 6 ounce serving, about the size of a deck of cards, 3 times a week. Try to eat it within 2 hours after any leg activity, like a long walk or gardening, to maximize the repair process. The results I've read about are truly remarkable. Participants in these studies report feeling like their legs are decades younger.
Many are able to get back to activities they loved but had to give up, like hiking, dancing, or just easily playing with their grandchildren on the floor.
So there you have it. The path to keeping your legs powerful isn't found in a complicated gym routine or a pharmacy, but right in your kitchen. Remember our motto here at The Simple Health. Simple changes can start right after watching the video. You don't have to do everything at once. Just pick one food from this list, try one new preparation tip, and see how your body responds. Please remember that consistency is far more important than perfection on your health journey. Your legs have carried you through a lifetime of memories. With the right nourishment, they can carry you strongly through many more. If this video opened your eyes to the power of food for staying strong, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way you'll never miss our simple, science-backed health content designed to make a real difference in your life. This is Dr. Howard, reminding you that your health journey is just a series of simple, powerful steps. Keep moving, keep nourishing, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And as always, remember to drink plenty of water.